I'm gonna do it.
This morning. They slept on the sleeping sofa because right now so the boys slept on the sleeping sofa. I get up and Landon's like getting laundry together.
Yeah, he's taking the sheets off.
Yeah, I'm like, what are you doing, you know? And he's like, Corbin peed the bed.
Oh, did he have too much soda?
Yeah, and I'm like,
A Gatorade
okay.
sitting right beside the bed.
So I'm thinking, all right, you know, so I'm letting that one go too. You know, thinking he probably, you know, they get together, they drink too much, and then they forget to go to the bathroom before they go to bed. So I just bypass that one too, get the laundry in there. And I got lucky because I had my sleeper sofa I don't use that much, so I still had the plastic on the
Luckily.
mattress.
Luckily.
We're going.
I thought, man, I got lucky on that. I didn't take it off. So I guess from now on, I'll just leave it on.
No, that's not a
Yeah.
But, so they go out to our little minnow pond back behind our house. And all of a sudden,
No.
here comes the little boy.
Thank you.
Pulling his shirt down. He has no shorts on,
No underwear.
no underwear on,
No shoes.
no shoes on, and he's walking in, like, pulling his shirt down, you know, trying to cover himself up. And I'm thinking, what happened? He goes, oh, I got into ants. And I'm thinking to myself, ants usually start out at your feet. I don't know how you ended up with no bottom clothes on. I mean, there must be more to the story. So Ryan goes, we get him in there, he gets showered, changed, whatever. Ryan goes down, finds the clothes. Well, Ryan finds toilet paper. And Ryan's like, what in the world happened down here? Apparently the kid had to go to the bathroom.
Oh, no.
So, instead of, I mean, it's not like he was, I mean, because I
In an ant
understand.
pile. On an ant pile.
Oh, my
We
God.
live out in the middle of nowhere. And I understand if you were way down in maybe our other pond and you're having a severe emergency and you got to go and you can't walk that far back.
Yeah.
Because they were down at our little bitty minnow pond and she's right down back behind our house. It's like just a 1 minute little walk.
300 feet.
Yeah. So that's what he did. Got it every.
Oh, my gosh.
I stepped in it. Oh, I got the smell.
So I'm thinking, oh, let me just get this kid in the car and get him back to his parents.
Wow.
It was bad.
We go, we're riding. Landon's like, while we're driving in the car to take him to meet his dad. And I'm like, well, we know why. But we get to the dad, and, you know, the dad asked me, you know, what did he behave? And I said, well, you know, everything was good until he decided to take a poop down at our minnow pond. And he's like, what? So I kind of briefly tell him what happened. And I don't even mention about the pee in the bed, because I thought, you know, really, that can happen to any kid.
Yeah.
And,
What did I tell you about that boy?
yeah, what did I tell you about that boy? And I said, well, I told him if it had been Landon, I would have whooped his butt for it. We don't do that. And he goes, well, when he does that at our house, he gets a whooping for it. And Ryan said, Lacey, you should have seen your face because you just walked your head around and looked at him and said, what? He does this on a regular basis? Like,
That is crazy.
you could have warned me, hey, if my kid disappears for 5 or 10 minutes outside, he just probably found
He pops a squat somewhere and in the woods.
And then come to find out, Landon, I guess, talked to some other kids. And they're like, yeah, Corbin pees the bed at our house, too.
Oh, poor kid.
So, and you know, his parents are super nice people. And so I told Landon, no
more
let's-
sleepovers
more
with
of
him.
that.
Get some grown-up diapers for that.
Tell them to bring their own sleeping bag. We'll put them out in the barn.
You know, if your kid, I mean, you know, because I know that some of the older kids still have problems with that, but you know, let the other parents
tell
know.
them.
Yeah, that's a fair warning.
Yeah, you know, say, hey, we got these.
Luckily, you had it still in plastic.
Yeah. And I let that one slide, but then when he went to the bathroom thing outside, I was like, whoa.
Oh, that's too much.
And I told him to stop, but he didn't listen.
Yeah, Landon
you don't go get me some toilet paper, because in the Polaris I carry toilet paper.
Heidi, don't stand on it.
So he tells me, if you don't go get me no toilet paper, you're not my friend no more. I said, well, I wouldn't want to be your friend if I gotta go get your toilet paper.
No kidding.
I told him, you should have said, look, if you're going to take a push out of my minnow pond, I'm not going to be your friend anyway.
Wow.
You know how it is. Oh, I'm not going to be your friend if you don't do this.
But I mean, I remember stuff that I did when I was.
Not that.
That's pushing it.
No,
I pooped in the woods, but that's because there wasn't a house around.
Right.
You know,
300 feet away.
You gotta go, but I mean, I was down at the creek.
Right. That's
Miles away
different.
from the house.
You know, that's different. You
That's
know?
why you keep toilet paper in the Polaris.
Exactly. It's toilet paper. I don't have to use it. Or tear my underwear up.
Wait, some ribs?
Because even Landon, like if they're at the little, they have a
Yeah.
even sometimes
You know,
I'll hear Landon coming back to the house because he will go a certain direction and walk back to the house. You know, it's like that.
He goes back to the house to, he's like, toilet's better than leaning on a tree.
You know, and
Well, we just don't have our toilet paper.
Do you have a toilet you're going to put in your deer blind? I haven't gone that far yet.
Yeah, he built like a man. The man.
Leave these here, huh?
You have one of those ones you pull a cot up and sleep in it overnight.
Well, I guess it's got a name on it.
Take
We
these
can put
chairs
the
back
barn.
up.
We're still in process of finishing this well.
Thanks, Brooke. We need to take those up or just leave them?
You don't want to leave those down here?
Kitchen area for meat. Kitchen, living area.
Leave those here for tomorrow?
Half of it, a 30 by 20 by 30.
It's a party barn.
No, it's Lacey's barn. I've already got her sign made.